Alright, the workbench is a mess, but I wanted to do an unboxing video because I'm kind of excited about it. It's a advanced adapters 4L60 to NP231, 241, Dana 300, whatever the case may be. Basically, it makes a 4L60 a 23 spline output with a 6-bolt pattern, common on Jeeps and stuff like that. So, here's the unboxing video. Howdy y'all, welcome to the Mayhem's Fab Lab channel. Alright, the old workbench is a little bit dirty, but I'm just excited to do this, so we're gonna oh man. Check this out. Got a nice little buyer's guide with the conversion. Ooh, look at these. Ooh, doggy. Got some O-rings and stuff. Pretty neat. Cool. Alright. Cool. Look at that. That's neat. Alright, let's see what we got here. This is a piece I've been looking for. Look at that. Man, that is just a quality piece right there. Nice. Cool thing here. This, I'm going to put a cross member on my frame, tie into those, and have the cross member have rubber bushings, but on each frame horn or frame side of the frame, and then this will just hard mount to that cross member. Check that out. Look at that. Oh, that's sweet. And we got the hardware kit with the seal and all that jazz. Neato, neato. Oh, more cool stuff. Well, that looks to go. Alright, so it looks like something like that. And then this part will go on the 4L60. Yeah, that's 6-bolt going to 4L60. Cool. Neat, neat. And here's the money thing. That is the shaft, 23 spline shaft. So that's what you get in one of them there advanced adapters. I'm sorry, 4L60 to NP231 or NP241 in my case. That's what you get. Oh, got to put this in here. Oh. Yeah, there it is. So I hope y'all like this unboxing video. I just want to show y'all what you get when you buy something. Especially advanced adapters, quality stuff. That's, if you don't know, Advanced Adapters is home of the Atlas transfer case, so they make some good stuff. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later.